Hello, welcome back once again. How you doing? On the menu today, as you can see here, just finished, steaming hot. We're going to do some pasta. We're using spaghetti with mixed seafood, chili and tomato. Really easy and delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So 1 can of tomatoes, 1 onion chopped, some dried red chili or chili flakes if you wanted, a couple of teaspoons of oregano dried, and some chopped garlic. I've sliced mine, cut it small if you want. And here I've got my mixed seafood. I've got this frozen. It's a kind of a mixed seafood with squid, octopus, clams, a few other bits in there. If you want, you could, add some shrimps to this or something like that. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add a bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so before we get started, get your pasta ready. I'm going to be using spaghetti today. We're going to really focus on this sauce. Olive oil in there. We're going to drop in those dried red chilies. I'm using whole ones, but like I say, if you wanted some chili flakes or something like that. To that, we're going to add our garlic and our onion. We're on quite a high heat, and I'll be back in 3 minutes. Okay, so we're getting a nice bit of colour on the onions and garlic. I'm now going to drop in our mixed seafood. We're going to add some black pepper. Salt. Our dried oregano. And we're going to go for 3 minutes again on this high heat. Keep it moving all the time now. Great stuff. Next up, we're going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. This can of tomato was whole. And I've just crushed it really roughly with my hand. Stay on this high heat for 4 minutes. Then we're going to just settle it down on a nice low heat for a few more minutes after that. Give it a stir every now and then. Fantastic. Now, I didn't show you this earlier, but I just fancy now dropping in some black olives. There's no stones in those ones. Could you put green in if you want, but yeah. Some olives in there, beautiful. Okay, going to lower the heat. Let it go just for like another 3 or 4 minutes. We're pretty much done. Really good. Let's grab our pasta. I'm using some spaghetti, cooked spaghetti. Going to grab another spoon, so I've got a couple of spoons on the go. I'm going to turn the heat up now, and I'm going to throw this around for about 3 minutes. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Really simple version. Seafood, tomatoes, chili with spaghetti. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.